Hey, what up, friends? Remember that Coleman stove we took backpacking last time? The big, heavy, bulky one? Yeah, that one. Well, we got mail. Alright, we're gonna be making this video from the man shed today, a little mini shed, because it's nasty outside. It's getting ready to rain. Look. Cloudy and getting ready to rain. Alright. Let's see what we got, guys. Today we're going to be doing the little $13 Etekcity little mini camping stove. Can you see it? So I'm pretty excited about this thing. I've been wanting to try to get my hands on it for a little while. And I'm real excited, so let's check it out. And then I know a lot of people like to test them out, boiling like 2 cups of water. So I'm a big coffee fan. So, oh man, look at this. Comes with a cool little case, an orange case. I don't think it's not like waterproof if it goes underwater, but it'll keep it dry for sure. I like it. Let's see, it just comes right out. Wow. There's a little thing for the gas. So it's straight out the box. Oh, sweet. Man, it feels sturdy. I thought it was going to be cheap. It feels really good. Nice. Alright, well, we're going to be testing this thing out, but before we do that, I guess we should hit up some B-roll shots. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so we're going to give this thing a shot. And like I was saying, everybody likes to boil 2 cups of water. But I'm a coffee fan, so we're going to make some coffee and see how that works out. And then we're going to time it and all that. Man, this thing is cool. And then open it up. Let's get this thing going. A real quick and easy setup. Check this out. Let's see how it works. So we're going to just turn the gas on. Oh, one thing they say is when you fold it out, or when you take it out, make sure you turn the gas off before you turn it on, because you have to open it a little bit before you screw it on. So make sure you open that. I turn the gas on a little bit. 1 click. Nice. Cool. So we're going to make some coffee. So I already measured out 3 cups of water. Can you see us? Alright, well look, I've measured out 3 cups of water, and yeah, we're gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna put my coffee. There we go. I got some Folgers coffee, 3 cups of water inside my little percolator here, and we're gonna see how long it takes. And so you know I'm not cheating. Well, hold on. I gotta do shoot. That's warming up. Well, now we're just wasting the gas. Here, I'm gonna switch this. Alright, there we go. I think we're set up now. Alright, so we have the new stove. We got a percolator here. Let's take this out. We can leave that on there. Let's put some coffee in there. I'm not exactly interested in how long it takes to boil 2 cups of water. What I want to know is how long is it going to take me to get my coffee in the morning. You know, because you know the oatmeal, that's going to be fast. You just got to warm the water up, dump it in your oatmeal. But what about that coffee? That might be too strong, friends. That might be too strong. That'll be alright. We're going to cover that up. We're going to blow that off, but it's alright. Drop it in here. So we got our coffee grounds in there. Put the lid on. It's cold water. And start the stove back up. Turn the gas on a little bit. 1 click. Boom. Damn. Look at that. Ooh, it's like a jet engine. But we don't need it up that high, right? Let's turn it down. Let me see. Reset. Alright, see the watch? We're gonna start timer. Boom, right now. Nope, wrong button. There we go. Start that. Let's see how long it takes to get percolating. Oh, and so you can follow along with me, and so that I can time lapse it, and you don't think I'm cheating. There you go. There you go, friends. Alright, and see how long it takes to percolate our coffee to the real. That's all I care about. Yeah. Hey, in the meantime, let's check out the reviews and stuff on Amazon on this thing. What do you think? Out of 3,869 customer reviews, it looks like 67% are 5 stars, so that's pretty solid. Definitely worth the $10. Don't overlook it just because it's inexpensive. Little stove with great potential. When you buy gas, make sure you get the one with the little fitting, not the big fitting. Oh, I wish I read these first. Alright, starting to percolate. It took exactly 5 minutes and 30 seconds. But it's not up all the way. I should have probably turned it up all the way, huh? Oh my goodness. So I had it down real low. So now we let it percolate for about 7 to 9 minutes, and we're ready for a cup of coffee. So it's turned down really low and it's percolating almost perfectly, which on the Coleman one, I could never get it to slow down. It was always too fast and over boiling and stuff. Not to mention the size, like, so the Etekcity stove itself is 4 ounces. The Coleman stove itself is 2 pounds. And look how big this is. The Coleman setup, because it uses the big container, and I couldn't find small containers with the big fitting. So you got the big gas container, the 2 pound stove on top. The stove is bigger than the pot, so you're wasting all that gas and you can't turn the flame down low. But this one, the flame is so low right now, it's awesome. Alright, we got the coffee done. That took exactly just under 20 minutes. But that's not bad because we can heat the water up first, which it looked like it would take about 2.5 minutes with it fully turned on. You heat up the water, make your oatmeal, and then while I'm eating my oatmeal, or the oatmeal's cooking rather, you could just let the coffee percolate. And we also let it go a little longer than it should have, because I was done actually a couple of minutes ago, and then I started setting up the camera, so that kind of messed things up a little bit. Missed the clock. So, I don't know where that started. I can check it out when I'm editing. But anyway, so the size comparison is just absolutely amazing with gas canister and everything. You got 4 ounce stove compared to 2 pound stove. That's huge. Now let's try our coffee. Let's see how the coffee turned out. I haven't let it cool down yet. I should let it cool down first, actually. Oh, that's hot. Alright, yeah. We gotta let that cool down. Anyway, I lost my spoon, so carved up a stick. We'll make it work. Check it out. It's handy. Oh yeah, look at that color. That's good coffee. I can tell already this is gonna be good. I'm not a big fan of the instant coffee, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I cannot do instant coffee. So this is gonna be my luxury item out on the trail. I will be carrying a percolator. 100%. That's why I got the small one. It's really light. It's real small. Ooh, ooh. And if I do come across people, I can make even more coffee, you know, and share the love. You don't just have to make a little bit, you can make a lot. So just try it out. So one thing I got, what kind of coffee do you guys like, by the way? I love coffee, man. I usually just get what's cheap and on sale, to be 100% honest. For the most part, I drink a lot of Folgers. I'm not a big cream, I like milk, but I got this. So yeah, I want to talk about that. I got this at the dollar store for the trail. And then get these at the dollar store too. $1 for a pack of 25. They're also on Amazon. This is really good sugar too. Sugar in the raw, $1 on Amazon. This is good stuff, guys. I like it. So I'm a big sugar guy. I'm gonna put 3 in here. I'm gonna spoil myself. I like sugar, so. Like I said, I lost my spoon. Well, actually, I didn't lose it. I dropped it back there. But I made a stick. The stick will work just fine. It'll work just fine. A little pine in your coffee. It's all good. Alright, I want to drink it right now, but I know that's going to be hot. I don't want to burn myself. Oh man, that's right on. Whew, that's right on, dudes. That's awesome. So, I give this thing definitely 2 thumbs up. The little Etekcity stove. This thing is great. It's still hot, so I'm not going to take it apart yet. But it just folds up, quick and easy to store away. I'll make sure I get a clip when I put it away. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Let me know down in the comments what kind of coffee you guys like. A lot of people have been checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. If you've watched this far, I definitely appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. I love this stove, guys. Check it out. It's only 13 bucks on Amazon. Super, super cool. Really light. But let me know what kind of coffee you guys drink. You guys drink coffee? I love coffee, man. But you guys take care of yourselves. Stay awesome. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Tell me in the comments, do your family like to go hiking? Maybe not, maybe they do.